Do you even know what you're looking at? Is this a 2JZ GTE?
VTTI.
Oh, the VTTI.
VTTTI.
Oh, so twin turbo or triple turbo? You got 3 turbos?
This is battle special.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. We're getting a super late start today.
We're not. No,
yes, we are.
It's 7 a.m. in the morning.
No. I literally told you guys on Instagram, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you probably should. I literally got you guys to spam Emerson to get him to get his ass to my house because I have been waiting all day for this kid to show up, and it's like 9 o'clock at night. They finally rolled in. My plan for today is to get everything ready so tomorrow we can install it. So, what did you pick up at Lorco? Let's start there. I don't even know what's going on. He just showed up and I'm ready to do something.
Our kit didn't come with any plumbing.
Okay, people are gonna think plumbing is what makes your toilet go.
So, oil feed, oil drain, coolant in, coolant out. Fittings and all that. Not even a bung for your oil pan. So, I had to go to Lorco and figure out thread pitch, fitting size, hose size, all that jazz. So we got hoses.
These are hoses?
Hoses, yes. That's for the,
nice.
That's for the coolant only. I don't have the oil feed or drain yet because I got to measure that.
Oh, so this is a coolant hose? Yeah. And then you still got to go back tomorrow and get the oil hose? Okay, so we got coolant hose.
Coolant fitting, 90 degree from the turbo. Coolant fitting, heat tape, oil drain from the turbo. Oil bung for the oil pan. Coolant fitting, the other tease. This goes with this. 2 tees. Paint for the header.
The only thing that sucks about this ISR kit is that it doesn't come with, like, basically the KA motors don't really have kits that are like full complete kits. It's hard to find a full complete kit. The one in Juku sent us is almost complete. Like, it comes with the header. It comes with, in case you guys missed the unboxing video, we got the header, downpipe, all the clamps, all the hoses, all the intercooler piping, air filter, all that, like the turbo. The only thing it doesn't come with is oil lines. So like coolant in and out and oil in and out. That's just what that is. It's a little bit extra on top of the kit, but now we have all the good stuff. These are all Russell fittings. These are really, really nice. So that's sick. And then what we're gonna be doing, we can't heat wrap the manifold because, you wanna explain why?
Apparently if you heat wrap it, because it's not cast, the heat will crack the welds.
Oh, so it'll get too hot because it's wrapped and the welds just snap.
And also, I did not want this, because it looks nice how it is, right?
Yeah, it looks good.
And
I actually really like it raw.
After time, you'll get it, like, it'll start to build up rust. Most people just spray the black ceramic, so it pretty much looks like ceramic header.
Yeah.
Right? But I wanted to see the raw thing, and they had clear, so I got the clear one.
Sweet. So we're gonna clear coat that so that it always looks like this forever. Something that you know what? You're actually right, because I put the BRZ headers on, and they were this color, and they're already like this color, like brown. Okay. Let's do hood, and then we can just go nuts. Hey, nice shirt, bro. Nice shirt.
Oh, they don't even know what's coming.
They don't know what's coming.
They don't even know what I got planned.
Emerson may or may not have designed a little bit of merch for you guys.
Coming with a spring release. New shirt coming out, and a new sweater, hoodie.
New hoodie. Is it a new hoodie? We're doing a new hoodie?
New hoodie. This last year.
You replaced that last year? Where the hell did we go with? Ew!
Bruh, that's
extra custody, dude. What the hell have you been up to?
That's definitely not healthy for the motor.
You're literally the Civic. We jacked it up and we didn't realize the hood was on it still. That hood could have literally just full yeeted right off the back and ruined so much shit, dude. We literally jacked it up and everyone was like, the hood. Oh, that's a good rookie move. My bad. I didn't know it was gonna come off so easy. Why is your front bumper alone like 45 pounds?
Oh!
Why has it gotta be so heavy?
I don't know.
That makes no sense. Dude, I've literally never lifted a front bumper that weighed that much.
I'm gonna put hella horns in this bad bitch.
Hella horns?
Hella horns, bro.
You mean fake turbos?
Yes, fake turbo.
So it's gonna be a triple turbo?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Triple turbo! Really? That's what you're doing
That's
right now?
OEM paint, bro.
Really? That's what you're doing?
No.
If you're gonna do it here. Uh-oh. The hose popped out. Oh, soapy water for the win, baby. Look at that. That's hot. Oh, we're gonna clean the engine bay up so much nicer than I thought. You wanna pop off your rad cap so it drains like freely? A little bit of air. Oh, there it goes. Oh, baby. Gotcha. So fun fact about these wheels, these are Emerson's, what color did they used to be?
Bronze.
They're the 5 Zegan somethings. FNO1RCs. I don't know if that means anything to you guys, but these are his old wheels. They look really good. They look really weird actually right now when they're not on the car, but like they look really good on the car. And I think he's actually gonna be selling them. We don't know 100% yet. I'm possibly even selling the BRZ wheels. Like it's a toss up right now. We don't really know what's going on. I'll keep you guys posted if you guys are interested in these wheels, because a lot of you guys were interested in the BRZ wheels when I said I might sell them. Yeah, these aren't in the best condition. They were like curbed and whatever, and he repaired them himself and painted them himself. But like they look good, man, for like a repaired and paint by yourself kind of thing. Like these wheels are tight. I mean, you don't bother messaging me or anything. I'll just keep you guys posted in the videos. Emerson's power steering's been leaking for a while, just like everywhere. Like it's been leaking right from the bottle. It's been leaking to all the lines and everything. There's power steering fluid everywhere. So if you guys are seeing like dirt or grease or whatever, it's literally just power steering fluid. That's all it's leaking. Got it. Oh baby. We're just gonna you know what you just did? You put it exactly over the EGR that you need to get rid of. There you go. Oh, we took the coolant lines off and it literally looks like they've been shoved up, like not the coolant lines, but like the actual, what do you call that? A coolant passage? Yeah, I don't know what the hell it is. It looks like it came out of King Kong's ass. It's gross. This whole car, look at this one. It's got diarrhea on it right now. It's not bad for like the mileage on the car, like it's a higher mileage car. So like it's not bad for what it is, but it is kind of custy. This is as far as the teardown is gonna go tonight. We have basically everything out. Everything is like, everything that needs to come out. The header still has to come out tomorrow because we have to get a Sawzall. Everything else is off. All this junk never needs to be seen again. We're pretty much done with this for tonight. We can come back to this tomorrow. But what we're gonna do now is, we gonna do the invisible heat wrap, baby. That's what I'm calling it. I like it.
Invisible heat wrap.
It is. That's what it is. You're literally gonna take this thing, and it's gonna look exactly the same, yet it's gonna be heat wrapped, essentially. It's a heat disperser.
Oh, this is, you know, sometimes it's a pain in the ass to get these off.
Yeah, it is.
For some reason.
Okay. This is really, really potent in my nose. Okay, you wanna do the last coat? Just leave that one standing, dude. Why you gotta mess with the... If the formula works, don't mess with it. God damn. Way to go, dude. He drops it right in the fresh paint. High five for that. The battery, kill the lights, see you tomorrow. Today's video is probably meh because like we couldn't really start installing the turbo kit yet, so it was just like a weird in-betweener video, but I don't know how well that header paint stuff is gonna work, but Emerson was recommended it by multiple people, so it's supposed to disperse heat, which is exactly the same as heat wrap, so it should work. It should be pretty cool. You guys just gotta stick around and watch the videos in the future to see when, once we start driving and stuff, we will know right away whether or not like it's actually doing its job or not. So I'm excited to see if it works. That's all we're gonna have for you guys today. I hope you guys are really, really stoked because tomorrow morning we are slapping this turbo. Still are waiting on like injectors, a fuel pump, and an ECU, most of which have been shipped. Still waiting on, you know, odds and ends. We're taking our time with this one. We're gonna do this one right. And there will be no like rushing. We don't need the car done. There's no deadline. So if it takes 2 weeks and we gotta wait on a part, it takes 2 weeks, we gotta wait on a part. We're regular people just like you. Just because we put it on the internet doesn't mean that like that we don't have wait times. So we'll get it done. I'm stoked. I hope you guys are stoked. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out and stay committed.